Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a cute mini wallet step by step. The process is very simple, so stay with me until the end. First, we will use 2 colors of yarn. You can choose any colors you like. Now, instead of making 2 separate sides, we will crochet 1 long piece. Start crocheting slowly and neatly. Make sure your stitches are even. Continue until you reach the needed length. Great! Now we have finished the main part. Take your scissors and cut the yarn. Next, we sew the 2 sides together. Do it carefully and neatly. Now we cut off the extra threads and turn the wallet to the front side. Next, we make the front flap of the wallet. Follow the same steps as I show. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Our mini wallet is ready. The front part is ready. We are almost done. And that's it. Now we add the final detail, the loop closure. Just follow my steps carefully. See you next time! Now we attach it and sew it to the wallet. Bye!